Hi everyone, this is Karthik. Welcome to Techno TV 5 and 5 Telugu. In this video, we will see the process of downloading Putty and connecting to the Linux server using this Putty tool. Putty is a popular and free open source SSH and telnet client that allows you to securely access to the remote servers. Whether you are a system admin or a newcomer to the Linux world, Putty is an essential tool for managing the remote systems. In this video, we will see the process of downloading and installing Putty, and we will demonstrate how to connect to the Linux server. By the end of this video, you will be well on your way to manage your Linux server with this user-friendly tool called Putty or Putty. Before going to the video, a small request: if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon to get more updates. In the last video, I have shown the installation process of a Linux server. If you are missed the video, I will provide link in the description and as well as in the cards right top. You can go through it. So let's get started with the video. Let's get started with the downloading Putty and setting up a connection to your Linux server. Open any browser in your laptop and search for Putty download, and click on the first link and click on download Putty, and here scroll up and click here putty.exe, and the file will downloaded, and open this and double click on this. This is the Putty interface. Okay, and this is the host name. Here we need to give a IP address of our Linux server. And now open the VMware where you install the Linux server, and now power on your virtual machine. Now log in to your server. Here we cannot see the password because the password is invisible. Okay, now issue the command IP space A. By using this IP address, we can connect to the Linux server using this Putty. We can connect to the Linux server remotely. Here in the place of host name or IP address, we need to give the IP address 192.168. In my case, this is my IP address. Here in the below saved sessions, we can save this IP address. If we want to log in multiple times, we need to enter the IP address multiple times. If we save this session, if you save this IP address with any name, we cannot enter multiple times. We cannot enter the multiple times. Okay, now I am saving with this name, with my name, and click on save, and here click on the logging, and click on this select this printable output. This helps us if you do anything in the Putty in the Linux server by using Putty, those things are saved in this file. Okay, putty.log. Click on browser, and you can use any location. You select any location that the file want to save, and click on save. This is the location. My file is saved in this location. Okay, and click on appearance. If you want to change the font size of in your Putty, click on change and click on bold, and click on and choose any size that you want, and click on OK. And now go to click on sessions, and again save again, and click on open. Now I connected to the Linux server using Putty remotely. This is the process of downloading and connecting to the server using this Putty tool. If you like the video, please do subscribe and click on bell icon. Please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.